Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, the Sigma. I am going to do something that many of you may not be able to do in this game. May not have the courage to do, especially. So this new update came out, and it featured new cars. See, so this gives you ability to go on these ramps, right? Not that fun, yeah. Can't do anything good. But, watch this. Watch this. Woo! Look at that, everybody. Watch this. Okay, watch this. You're about to be so impressed. I'm about to go in like circles in a minute. Okay. Now it's time for me to be able to go in circles. Come on. Get in a good grip. Did you like that, guys? Did you like that? I did better than set earlier, but okay. So I think I'm the first one to discover this. I've never seen anybody like look at it, say anything about this. So let's do it. Buddy. So let's go. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Gotta go. Flip mode. Look at that. Oh, and what? Can't go on the TV. Dang. They thought that out. They thought that through. Woo! Oh, come on. Yes. Come on and make it. Oh, man. Come on. No. You know what? Oh my God, I'm done. You know what? Say bye to me, guys. Woo! Oh yeah, just to let you know. Watch this. Got some stuff. Watch this. Look at this. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Look at that, guys. We fly, so yeah. So just go in here. So guys, I hope you liked those epic moves that I did because they're so Sigma like me. So subscribe or you will be that car doing those flips. So yeah, subscribe now.